guys! Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog! Woo! It's December 31, so happy New Year! And oh my god, nag-iiba na naman kulay ko. But anyways, I decided to vlog today. Kasi wala lang, kasi New Year, it's fun! Well, sana masaya siya. Since wala kaming paputok this year. Mga lumang sparklers lang. Hahanda na kami ng foods and preparations and all that stuff. So, tara. Ayan, so kagaling lang namin grocery. And kailangan ko na tong iayos itong mga prutas na bilog for, ewan ko, good luck. And kailangan papalitan tong Merry Christmas into Happy New Year. Ayan, sumobra po ata tayo sa orange, no? Okay. Oh, ang pangit nung lighting. But anyways, ganyan na lang. Anyways, now it's time to grate some cheese. Oh my god. Wala atang okasyon na hindi ako pinag-grate ng nanay ko. And I'm not even good at it. Siguro mga 2 oras na since nag-start ako mag-grate. And di pa rin ako tapos. Pangalawang cheese na to. Yung unang cheese, yung kalahati, kinain ng aso nung hindi ako kainin. Galing. After nito, ulitin pa daw yung fruit bowl. Tapos, papalitan pa natin to, Maika. Happy New Year naman. Ala! But look at my shirt. Riverdale! Guys, mas may kulay na ang fruit bowls. At naging 2 na siya kasi hindi nagkasya. At may malaking, watermelon. Ano yung pakwan. Loading. Kulang pa ng pampaswerte. Okay, so ngayon mag-aayos na ako. It's already around 9 o'clock. Trip ko mag-makeup ngayon ng medyo heavy. So, ano ba yan? Nag-iiba na naman kulay ko. Dahil to sa color blue eh. Wait lang. Ayan. Okay, so for my base foundation, una, primer, professional. And then, I think I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty para okay yung coverage. And then, concealer from Maybelline. And nahulog. And siguro magbe-bake na lang ako using Coty Air Sponge. Hello! Okay, so tapos na ako sa mata ko. Yes, okay. Hindi ko siya ma-angle na maayos. Ganyan ba? Yan! I just used the It's Duty Time palette for my eyes and then naglagay din ako ng fake lashes kasi why not? It's the new year and sobrang hirap maglagay ng fake lashes kasi nakakaasar. Pero anyways, now for the rest of my face. Oh my god! Basag yung eyeshadow niya. Yeah, now it's time for some highlight. And kailangan ko to videohan kasi it's the highlight of this video. Say hi!
Malabo.
Mag-hi ka lang!
Madilim masyado makita.
Now, finally, for the lips, I'm going to be using my favorite Sleek Matte Me Lippy Sleek Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in the shade Birthday Suit kasi para heavy yung eyes, so natural na yung lips. Tas color orange na naman mukha ko. So guys, I am finished. Yes! So yan, this is my makeup for New Year. And then, nag-high pony lang ako. Tapos, pinatagilid ko na lang yung bangs ko kasi bala ko na siyang ipa-grow out since 1 year na since nagpabangs ako actually. And medyo nakakasar na siya. Ang hirap niyang i-maintain. So, goodbye bangs for 2018. And then, meron na ako hoop earrings for good luck. Kasi bilog, diba? And then, I'm wearing this Betty t-shirt. This is from C-Shop. You can get it customized and stuff. And then, I'm just wearing some... Ayan, ang gulo ng gamit. Wait lang. Ayan, okay. And then I'm just wearing some black shorts and my white rubber shoes from Adidas. Okay, so ayan. Meron po tayong game night. Ingay! Yes, meron tayong karaoke. Uno, stako, twister, guess yourself, now the game of life. Uno, and... Monopoly deal. Ay! Sorry. Arty. Dito, mayroon tayong selfie station. Okay? And ito na yung handa. Woohoo! Wait. Carbonara. Peachy. Spare rib. Broccoli. Caldereta. Circle things. And fruits. And tacos. Pastanyas daw. And wala na yung Happy New Year kasi wala na palang Manila paper. Woohoo! Yeah! Happy New Year! Woo! So, upo na tayo. Ay, Tommy! Yay! Bye-bye, Brie! Bye-bye! Smile! Bye-bye!
Pakit ka, pakit ka lang, pakit. Dali. Ayun na, tawag na si Boy.
Hi guys, bubuo na kaming banda. We're the M cousins.
Yup.
Yun na yung lyrics.
Wait lang. Ako.
Agawan sa'yo ka, Lele.
Wait lang.
Kami naman nag-practice eh.
Grabe ako dito lagi eh.
Oh! Alis ka na ba?
Okay, hindi ako nansin.
Go.
Pag mga nito, dapat niya I'm here.
1, 2, 3, go. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling. a ukulele master. Thank
Yes.
you. I would like to thank ukuleletabs.com. 2, 3, go. Wise men say only fools rush in. I can't help falling in love with you.
If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be